What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and I'm here with
Jay Tundell.
Why are you looking at me? Look at them.
Jay Tundell.
Jay Kishin Tandell. Anyways, so today's video we'll be installing a Mishimoto. Let's say you pronounce it right.
Hey.
Yeah, Mishimoto.
I'm here too.
Oh, Wishimoto. Oh wait, okay. Oh yeah, someone's behind the camera.
Oh shit.
So
Mishimoto.
Mishimoto radiator. So this is a pretty well-known company. Or a guy over here can give us a in-depth.
No, I never heard of this one.
All right, well, so pretty popular is Mishimoto. So obviously, everyone with the radiator has a lot of good reviews, and mine is a manual. So if you get the auto, I know you've put some coolant lines through the radiator, but or I think you do, but there's a difference. But mine is the manual version. So let's go ahead and unbox it, and then we'll get installing it. All right, here we go. Okay, we already opened it earlier, but so here is the radiator. Mishimoto. It's a lot thicker than stock. I would say it's twice the size as than stock actually, but
Oh shit, the fin.
no, don't worry about it. So it comes with those brackets. It comes with these brackets that go on the side, and then it also comes with hardware, and it comes with a really cool sticker. Jay, sticker.
No, air freshener.
It comes with a really cool air freshener and some stickers that you can put on your hydro flasks. And
Where's the stickers?
No, it's only an air freshener.
oh, okay. Anyways, all right, here you go.
If it was stickers, Shanice would have took them already.
Yeah, bro, I'd have taken them already.
Here you go. All right, cool. So now let's go ahead and get into the install. First thing we do is I'm going to go ahead and put on these side brackets. These brackets, they go on to, let's go over to my car. Oh, by the way, I already removed my old one, so I'm not going to be showing how to remove it, but it's pretty straightforward. But down here, by a finger, that's where the radiator is going to sit. And basically, these brackets will, line onto there. So basically, we're going to go ahead and bolt it onto the radiator first, and then we'll go ahead and slide it in. Okay, so for the brackets, one of the brackets is going to have a giant hole right here. That's going to go on the side of your coolant drain plug. So just like that. And now my lovely assistant is getting the bolts ready for me. Alright guys, so for the brackets on this, there's going to be a rubber bushing like this. There's going to be a rubber bushing like this. So the rubber bushing is actually going to go in between the bracket like that. So you just have to slide it in, and it's going to take some force, but you want to just press it in. And then after it goes in halfway, you will take the metal washer and the nut like that. Go right through like that, and then just go ahead and screw it in on. Okay, so these are 12mm bolts, by the way. So just go ahead and make them hand tight, not too tight. This is an aluminum radiator, so you don't want to strip it. Of course. Anyways, so my lovely assistant now will grab the fan, and we'll go ahead and put the fan on the radiator. That's your cue to go get the fan and bring it to me.
I ain't no assistant.
Well, then what are you?
Bitch, I'm the boss.
Hey, don't cuss up and bleep it out.
Oh
man.
my god, Jay.
Anyway, so we're putting on the fan right now because it'll be a lot easier to put on right now and then slide the whole thing into the car instead of doing one at a time. So I'm holding it upside down.
Be careful, it's Ford, it's gonna break.
Oh yeah, that's right. So
Good
for
thing that's how you fuck these up.
Probably. So for the fan, there's gonna be two clips right here. So these just slide under there, and then there's gonna be two bolt holes. So let me slide it in for you guys, and I can show you. Oops. And then right here, there'll be a bolt hole right there. So one's gonna go there, and also one is gonna go here. And so nice of Mishimoto to provide us the hardware. So like I said, these two bars right here, and that side over there, will go onto that hole over there that I'm pointing to, that Jay's pointing to, and then mine will go right there. It's gonna be a little bit of a tight fit because it's a bigger radiator.
Come on this way.
It should be okay. I'm just gonna drop it in.
Make sure the hole's ready. AC lines.
Alright.
Alright guys, so as you see we had some issues. A couple of things we're gonna do. We did remove the battery tray. So obviously my car doesn't have a battery in it, so you have to remove your battery. There is this metal line right here. It's held on by a 10mm bracket.
Power steering.
Power steering lines, yep. We're gonna remove that. On this side, there's actually two AC lines in the way. This top one and this one as well. So I actually had to bend it towards this direction, allowing it to go all the way down. After that, it's set in the bottom. And then just go ahead and put the AC lines back in. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in. Oh, here it is. Here's the fan plug.
There you go.
Okay, cool. And then after that, you will go ahead and put on the hose. So the hose will be from the bottom. Let's go to the bottom one first. Okay, so one important thing is when you're doing these hoses, make sure you bottom them out as much as possible. If not, they can come off. And then after that, you put the hose clamp on. I don't have the hose clamp on me, so I'll put them on later, since my car is a work in progress. You're back. Alright guys, so for the final part, for the radiator, there's going to be a bracket right here. This goes on the top, is going to go on this part right here like this. So we're going to press it on, and then there's going to be a little J-hook right there that goes into that hole. And then after that, just slide the bolt in right here. And then you go ahead and tighten those bolts. After that, you would have to go ahead and put on the coolant reservoir. I currently do not have the coolant reservoir, so we're going to go ahead and... Alright, cool. So then, what was I saying before? Oh, so I don't have the coolant reservoir with me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fast forward to where I have a coolant reservoir, and I'll show you guys how to put that on. Alright guys, so the last clip you've seen was from like a couple days ago because I had to order the overflow tank. But it came in today and I already went ahead and put it on. It's actually very easy to put on. I'm going to just show you guys. I don't have to do it step by step because it's really that easy. But there's 3 bolts, one right here, and one right here. So this bolt is a giant rod, or a long rod that goes all the way down underneath the car and bolts up right there. I actually have one bolt that's broken and stuck in there, so I have to fix that later. But 2 bolts go on right here, and then that bolt right there, and then there's 2 hoses. There's gonna be this hose right here. You just connect it on right here, and then that is the hose that it goes to the oil filter adapter. And the bottom of the radiator, it has that 3rd hose coming up to the reservoir tank. And then there's a skinny hose that goes into the radiator already. That one just loops around right here. And that's basically it for the radiator install. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you to Jay and Chip Nash for being a part of this video, even though they're not here anymore. And I'll see you guys in some other video.